welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm going to do what's called a sister's choice. So this is what I've cut out. This is me working out. So I have cut out 4 3-inch squares because these are going to be the to make half square triangles. Now you can cut them 2 7/8, but I can't be bothered doing things like that. So I've done 3-inch squares of one of the colour and the background, and then I'll trim them down. I prefer to do that. So there's 4 of each there for my half square triangles. There's 4 2.5-inch of the background, and 4 of 3 colours, and they're 2.5 inches as well, and 1 2.5-inch of a different colour for the middle. But we'll start with the half square triangles first. So you've seen me doing before. We can, if I can find it with your card, there it is. You can draw a line corner to corner, or you can finger press it, or you can press it with your iron, or you can just wing it. But that's the line that I've done. Do that on all 4 background squares, or the colour square, whichever one you want. And then once you've done that, just lay them on top, right sides together, and then sew 1/4 inch either side of that line. This is the layout, and it's very simple to put together. We just take them, sew these 2 together, change my glasses, make sure it's lined up, because I've trimmed these 1/4 square triangles down to 2.5 inches to match all the squares. So she didn't like starting on that. Never mind, we go there and leave it on the machine and do another 2. I want to take this time as well to apologise to you for the sound quality I've been having. The camera has an external speaker, so I've been trying to use it, and it's really messed things up. So I've now gone back to no speaker at all on it. Not speaker, microphone. So that's the first row sewn together, and there's 5. So we can now see them all there. So I'll just be adding that to there and then carry on all the way down on each row until they're done. Looks a bit elongated because I've just sewn them together in rows and kept them attached with the threads. Now you can make sure and press or finger press the top row seams to the left or the right and keep alternating. So if you press all your top ones to the left, then your next row is to the right, and then to the left, and then to the right, to the left. But I ain't going to bother do that. I'm just going to actually do it at the machine when I get to them, because there aren't many, well there are actually, there's junctions all over the place, but they nest really easy because these half square triangles want to go away from them, so it's easy to do the top row away. The second row, the half square triangle there, want to go the opposite way, so that'll make a nice nesting seam. As you can see, they'll be nesting really nice, so you can sew together. So I'll stitch this up now. And so I've sewn it together in that design, and I put 3-inch border around it because I will cut this down to the size of all the other blocks, so I'll have all the blocks the same size. So I prefer to have it oversized and trimmed down than not big enough, and I've got to try and extend it and make it bigger. Well, let's think up another one. Thank you. Bye.